Get acquainted with the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan. Here's a family-minded Tiguan that delivers safety and practicality wrapped in understated style. From its driver assist safety features to its impressive fuel efficiency and available third-row seating, this convenient crossover has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated front seat. Feel secure and poised in this thoughtfully appointed Tiguan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.